Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to insert PHP custom code before and after paragraph number in WordPress using wpcode plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to run PHP snippet globally on page, post, custom post type. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write wpcode. So this is plugin wpcode. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now go to page. So we have 6 paragraph. Now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Back to custom snippet and then you can add your custom PHP code here. Now paste and then you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet, so you can add your custom PHP code, and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere, drop down select, and then you see page specific. Now select and then you see page, post, custom post type, and then you see insert before paragraph, insert after paragraph. So select insert before paragraph. So we are going to enter number. Now select and then you see before paragraph number. So we added 3 and then on top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So our custom code will show above paragraph number 3. Now snippet created and saved. Go to page and refresh the page. So this is our paragraph number 3. Now you see our custom code display above paragraph number 3. Back to code, scroll down, click on location again and then select insert after paragraph, and then you see after paragraph number 4 and then click on update. Snippet updated, done. Go to page. So this is our paragraph number 4. Now refresh the page. So custom code will show below paragraph number 4. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.